Pull your Pilates scoop back in. Pull your knees to your chest and curl your tailbone slightly off the floor. Place your arms back down by your sides. And a nice extension through double leg stretch. Pull it back in. Couple more times. Extend up to the ceiling. Pull it back in. Hold on to that 12 o'clock pelvis. And pull it in. Take your hands behind your legs and stretch your hamstring. So we're just extending those heels upwards until we feel the back of the legs extend. Go ahead and soften those legs and roll like a ball to come up. And roll like a ball back down to your shoulders and up. And one more time to grow on. Whee! You did it! Thanks to our assistant, Mr. Matt.